Dear friends, good morning. Today we are going to discuss the topic cost of retained earnings. Friends, sometimes argued that retained earnings carry no cost since a firm is not required to pay dividend on retained earnings. However, this is not true. Though retained earnings don't have any explicit cost to the firm, but they involve an opportunity cost. Retained earnings accrue to a firm only because a part of the earnings has not been paid out to the equity shareholders as dividends. If the earnings were not retained and were distributed to them as dividends, they could have invested such dividend in other firms and could have earned a return thereon. Because of withholding of dividends, shareholders lose the opportunity to invest such dividends elsewhere and forego the return on the investment of such dividends. Thus, retained earnings involve opportunity cost. A firm is required to earn on the retained earnings at least equal to the rate that would have been earned by the shareholders if they were distributed to them. This is the cost of retained earnings. An alternative way to compute the cost of earning is to use external yield criteria. This criteria is based on assumption of external investment of funds by the firm itself. In other words, the opportunity cost of retention of earning is the rate of return that could be earned by investing the funds in another enterprises by the firm instead of what would be obtained by shareholders on their investments. Hence, the firm should estimate the yield it can earn from external investment opportunities by investing the retained earnings elsewhere. The rate of return that could be thus earned constitutes the cost of retained earnings. The cost of retained earning, it is denoted by KR under the assumption of external yield criteria would be approximately equal to the cost of equity capital, that is KE. However, KR would be slightly lower than the KE due to differences in flotation cost. Thus, the equation will be. Now you can see from the equation KR, that is cost of retained earning, is equal to KE, that is cost of capital, into 1 less percentage brokerage or flotation cost. For example, suppose a firm's cost of equity or return available to the shareholder is 12% and it is expected that 2% is brokerage cost that shareholder will have to pay while investing their dividends in alternative securities. The cost of retained earnings will be cost of retained earnings, that is KR, is equal to cost of equity into 1 less 0.02 is equal to cost of equity, that is 12% into 1 less 0.02. Then cost of retained earnings is equal to 12% into 0.98 and is equal to 11.76%. It means cost of retained earnings is 11.76%. So friends, after this discussion, we are able to know how to calculate or compute the cost of retained earnings. However, there is any query, then you can ask me through my telecommunication, WhatsApp or YouTube channels. So thank you.